Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'm just going to provide you a quick update regarding the new Unacademy Plus course, which is a batch course and which is going to start on 7th April. So if you want to join the sessions of this batch course from the starting, and if you don't want to miss any sessions, and this is a 60 days crash course for the CSIR Net Physical Science exam. And guys, in this way we are even gonna have many other courses which are now live on Unacademy. So if you don't want to miss these live sessions, these important courses, and you want to start attending these courses from the starting, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription, and whenever you will take the subscription you can use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here. Also guys, by using and by applying this referral code, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Along with this guys, one more thing I'm going to tell you, that what are the benefits you will have once you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription and you will start attending these important courses. So for example, if any course has recently started, for example like 2 days back or just recently, but you have missed some of the sessions of that course, okay, or even any course is already going on, okay, so if you want to continue with the sessions of that course too, then the recordings of the classes of that course will be available to you for the previous classes which you have missed, and even you will be able to cover up those sessions easily by watching the recordings. And as in each and every course we are having the doubt clearing sessions, so you will even be able to ask about your doubts there in the doubt clearing sessions, whatever doubts you will have when you are going to watch the recordings. The another important thing is that once you will take the Unacademy Plus subscription, after that you will get the guidance by the top educators, which will help you to prepare very well for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam and to take your preparation to a very good level. The important strategies which you will get by attending the sessions, the tricks you will learn, the concepts you will prepare, the topics you will complete in these important sessions and the courses by the top educators, you will be able to do the very good preparation for your exam with the help of all these things. And whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, the one more benefit you can get, that is you can use and apply the referral code Anjali Arora and you can get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. One more thing guys, that is if let's say you are gonna take the subscription, okay, you want to know about the steps you need to follow to take the subscription, so you can download the Unacademy learning app, and there you can proceed further by selecting the goal. It will be CSIR UGC Net if you want to prepare for the CSIR Net Physics exam, and after that you can start proceeding the further, like follow the further steps, and that's how you will be able to get a space to write the referral code too. You can write same way Anjali Arora there, no space in between, spelling should be same, and then apply the referral code, and at the same time you will get the 10% discount too. Okay, so this was something about how to take the Unacademy Plus subscription or what are the steps you have to follow. The another thing you can do is you can directly search Unacademy Plus on Google and you can proceed by taking the further steps there. So I hope everything will be clear to all of you guys, and I hope this is going to be helpful for all the students, those who are waiting for the crash course and those who want to join the course from the starting. Even many other courses are going on and are going to start soon in upcoming days. So if you want to attend the sessions of all these important courses, then you can take the subscription. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session, for watching it till the end. Thank you.